Good job, shooters. Good job. Scan, holster.
Welcome to the T2, the state-of-the-art system that combines technology with user-friendly simplicity to create the most realistic live-fire tactical training environment in the world.
The screen was moving, and to me, it wasn't a screen anymore. It was an actual situation.
Training people to go into combat, it's a very difficult thing to do. It requires physical, mental, emotional honing. A system like T2 allows you to work on each of those aspects. That lends a level of realism that you can't duplicate.
The T2 live-fire interactive tactical training system, in service with some of the world's top-tier special operations units, provides law enforcement professionals, SWAT team members, tactical specialists, and military operators with the opportunity to hone their firearms and combat skills with their own weapons and ammunition, in conjunction with video scenarios and digital images broadcast on a large, lifelike screen.
It blew me away the first time I shot in it. The level of realism that's achieved with the T2 is phenomenal.
T2 consists of three primary components: the patented shoot screen and bullet trap, which allows shooters to fire ammunition 9mm, 38, 357, 10mm, 40 caliber S&W, 44 Magnum, 5.56mm, 7.62mm, and .308 at scenarios broadcast from a control room, an infrared sensor that determines where the fired shots actually hit, and state-of-the-art software that allows the end user to effortlessly produce their own real-life scenarios according to each specific agency's needs and requirements. These scenarios can be enhanced by additional visual and audio effects designed to increase the authenticity and rigor of the training experience.
You name it, we can integrate it, put in a system, put in a program, set up the training scenario for each individual or each unit.
The ease of use and the integration of store-bought video equipment enable training officers to produce filmed scenarios quickly and inexpensively. The user-friendly software not only creates lifelike interaction between the video scenarios and the shooter, but can also be used to log a shooter's progression for review of firearms proficiency over time.
To be able to have the ability to shoot at a live video like this with your own gun, with live ammunition, and having the screen react to your shots, it's an invaluable tool as far as training goes.
I could feel the brass shells, I could hear them going to the ground, the shots going out, and I was looking out for my partner as he took position and I took position, and actually monitoring what the target is doing based on his command and how he reacted to the commands. So to me, that was very realistic.
The T2 training systems range from mobile units built into 40-foot containers that can be ferried from location to location on the back of a semi-trailer, to permanent in-house designs built inside new or existing police stations or military bases. Systems can also be built to spec to create elaborate multiplex training facilities in which several large-scale and modular ranges are connected to one another by a master control console.
When stress is applied to any situation, are you going to stop, start fumbling around, or are you going to think and react?
The unique thing about the T2 is that you're using full power ammunition. It recoils the way it really recoils. The concussion is really there.
T2 is an environmentally friendly system with outside air drawn in by a large air handling unit and blown across the range in a non-turbulent laminar flow. This air collects the burnt powder and lead particulate as it travels downrange and is then picked up by an equally large exhaust system both at the screen and in the bullet trap area. The air is then forced through a HEPA filter, which is electronically monitored for efficiency, and exhausted to the outside as hospital-grade clean air. In addition, T2's revolutionary steel bullet trap design breaks the bullet into small fragments and collects them in its self-contained collection bin, where the fragments can easily be reclaimed for abatement. All interior surfaces are designed both to absorb sound and to be easy to clean with the use of a special HEPA-equipped vacuum.
Whether it's in a terrorist situation or traffic violation, you're going to be able to react what's on that screen. It's going to give you more confidence in yourself and to be able to deal in the street with whatever you're faced with.
The future of tactical training is here. The T2 Tactical Training System.